Mr. Sandeep Bhargav, Executive President and Chief Procurement Officer at Polycab India Limited, dives into the key roles he has pertaining to procurement, the strategies with regard to raw materials, and his viewpoint on the current price rise scenario and its impact on the wire and cable industry in an interview with Wire and Cable India. Further, he also touched upon the pandemic-induced challenges with regard to supply chain and the strategies to mitigate the same. Mr. Sandeep Bhargav's major roles and responsibilities include managing the overall procurement strategy, being constantly vigilant about finding systemic procurement and supply chain improvements, in addition to keeping track of KPIs. Outlining the strategies with regard to raw material procurement and sustainability, Mr. Bhargav said, the process of sourcing commoditized raw materials is nuanced with strategies that are not generally applied to other direct materials. Also, the current uncertain market conditions further strengthen the need for a rigid sourcing framework. Explaining the reason behind the surge in the prices of copper, he said that the price of copper, which is a key input for manufacturing wires and cables, have soared globally because of the great demand push. In addition, the prices of aluminium, that is another key commodity, has surged because the authorities in the top producer of the metal, China, are clamping down on energy-intensive industries to curb down the carbon emissions. Besides, the importers have to pay more in freight charges as the maritime supply chain is stressed because of the rising international demand and a shortage of containers. The price hikes are also partly a result of higher fixed costs and lower capacity utilization. On his expectations regarding the stabilization in the price situation, he said that the prices are expected to stabilize towards the end of the current fiscal year, by which time the global economies are expected to fare better than now.